Hello friend, today we are going to study the point of 7th chapter, that is 7.4 growth rate and type of growth. Here we have to study only this topic, growth rate. Now what is meant by the growth rate? Growth rate is increased growth per unit time. In a particular time limit, how much plant can grow, that is the growth rate of that plant. Or we can define this: growth rate is measurement of a growth per unit time. Then let's take an example of a maize root. A single maize root, the apical meristem of a maize root can give rise to more than 17,500 new cells per hour. So this is hour is 1 hour is a unit time of this much growth in a maize root. So this is the growth rate of a maize root. How can we measure the growth rate? By increase in a size or area of different plant organ. Means we can measure the size of a stem, size of a fruit, or the area of a leaf. Okay, in this way we can measure the growth rate of that particular plant. There are two methods: absolute growth rate and relative growth rate, by which we can calculate the growth rate of a particular plant. Now we are going to study these two. The absolute growth rate. Okay, so what is the definition of absolute growth rate? The measurement and comparison of total growth per unit time are known as absolute growth. Or we can also say that absolute growth rate is a ratio of change in the cell number over the time interval. Okay, so absolute growth rate is change in the cell number over a time interval. This is the formula for this absolute growth rate: change in a cell number over the time interval. Okay, dn minus dn upon dt. And what about the relative growth rate? A relative growth rate refers to the growth in a particular system per unit time. Here particular system means we can calculate any plant part or the entire plant, okay, expressed on a common basis. So RGR, relative growth rate, growth of a particular system per unit time. So we can also calculate the RGR by this formula. Okay, RGR, relative growth rate, is equal to absolute growth rate upon the initial number of cell. Okay, let's take an example for this, by which we can easily understand this. Here we have taken an example of a leaf. In this picture there are two leaves, leaf A and leaf B. Okay, so here we have to calculate the absolute growth rate as well as the relative growth rate of both of these leaves. So first, about the absolute growth rate. What is the formula for this? Absolute growth rate means the change in a cell number upon the time interval. So how can we calculate change in a cell number? Here change in a growth or change in a cell number is equal to final growth minus initial growth. So let's take an example of leaf A here. Consider leaf A. The initial growth of leaf A is 5 centimeters square, while the final growth is, after a particular time, final growth is 10 centimeters square. So to find out the change in a growth, we have to use this formula. Okay, so Absolute growth rate is equal to change in a cell number or change in a growth is 10 minus 5. Final growth is 10 and initial growth is 5 upon per time interval. Okay, so here the answer 10 minus 5 is 5. In case of plant, in case of leaf B, here also we have to solve this. What is the absolute growth rate in case of B leaf? So here also we have to first find out the change in a growth by subtracting final growth, by subtracting initial growth from the final growth. The initial growth is, here the initial growth is 50. Okay, we have to subtract this from the final growth, that is 55. So 55 minus 50 is 5. So the absolute growth of plant, of leaf A and leaf B, these both absolute rate of both the leaves are same. Okay, now about the relative growth rate of these leaves. How can we calculate the relative growth rate? The formula is relative growth rate is equal to growth in a given time upon the initial growth. So formula is relative growth rate is equal to absolute growth rate upon initial growth. So what is the absolute growth rate of plant of leaf A is 5. Okay, and what is the initial growth of leaf A? Initial growth is 5. So 5 upon 5 is 1. So relative growth rate of leaf A is 1. Or we can calculate this by multiplying this number by 100, means we can calculate the percentage. So here 5 upon 5 into 100, 5 upon 5 is, and the growth rate is a relative growth rate of leaf A is 100% of the initial growth rate. Initial growth is 5 centimeter, and after a particular time period it grows again in a 5 centimeter, means now it has 10 centimeter square area. Okay, so in case of leaf B, here the absolute growth rate is 5. Okay, and the initial growth rate is 50. So 1 10, the answer is 10. Or we can also calculate this in a percentage by multiplying simply 8 by 100. So here the relative growth rate is 10, while in case of leaf A relative growth rate is 100%. So the absolute growth rate of leaf A and leaf B is same, while the relative growth rate of leaf A and B is different. Means leaf A, it grows much more faster than the leaf B. So growth rate is much more faster in case of leaf A. Okay, by this we can easily understand this. This is very easy. Thank you.